Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'll be doing a warm quinoa salad. I've got some quinoa here. This is the Costco brand, Kirkland, and it's organic. I've got one vegetable stock pot here, and I've got 500 grams of water, or 2 cups, around 2 cups. I'll be adding some char-grilled Mediterranean vegetables. So he has char-grilled aubergines, which is eggplant, courgettes, which Americans call zucchini, red and yellow peppers. I'll also add some red onions to this as well, and some garlic. So first I'm going to cook the quinoa in almost 2 cups of water, or 500 grams, and I'm using vegetable stock because this will be a vegetarian option. Can use chicken stock. Just going to put this on the stove to boil, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of quinoa, or 236 grams. I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes. My quinoa has cooked now. So what I did, I cooked it for 15 minutes. So I brought the stock and water to a boil. Then I turned it on low. Once the 15 minutes was up, I left it covered for 5 minutes, and that's the quinoa. Just fluffing it now. Quinoa is done. So I've got 1 cup of char-grilled vegetables, 1 teaspoon or 2 small cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 scallion, and a small red onion sliced. I'm also going to be doing a vinaigrette. So I've got 1 shallot, 1 clove of garlic, got some rice wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, extra virgin olive oil, and some salt. First, let's mix the vinaigrette. I'm going to start off using 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, or 30 mils. I've got 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Then for Dijon mustard, I'll be using half of a teaspoon, or 2.5 milliliters. Let's whisk this together. I'm going to add some salt to taste. You can add as little bit or no salt if you wish. Once that's mixed in, let's add in our shallots and garlic. I'm going to add some black pepper. That's the vinaigrette done. Just going to set that to one side. We'll go and fry up these for the quinoa. I've got a pan that's heated up. I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, our onion, scallion, ginger, and garlic. Going to add in our char-grilled veggies. Going to add in our quinoa. Just turning the stove off. That's the quinoa done. Going to put this in a bowl and then add the vinaigrette. Just going to put the salad in. Going to put in our vinaigrette and just mix everything together. Can smell the shallots and the vinegar smells so good. That's our quinoa salad done. That's the quinoa salad done. So this is a vegetarian option. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, to also share my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my videos. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll get notified when I post. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.